I'm not on. But I know it ain't work. And when my thumb's going, I'm gonna roll up line. Does it say I'm on now? Can't tell if I'm on YouTube. When they said I'm down, gotta change my ways. Alright, there we go. It's good, Jed. It's good, brother. Yeah, that was weird, man. I don't know why that one still get paid. Yes, I'm stuck in my ways. Bro, arms on face. Stay on me. Yeah. I think I'm sweet, man. What we saying, boys? Yes, man. What we saying, Brody? How unlucky was GU this morning, man? How unlucky. Yeah, I don't know what. Maybe it's a Wi-Fi thing, man. I think it should be sweet now. It should be sweet now. One trade this month at -1%. Hoping for a better month in November, bro. Honestly, I didn't have a trade FX wise. No, I did have a trade. Yeah, I did. Sorry, I'm the same with you, bro. I mean, this month I'm down 1%. In terms of my FX, my fundeds, but I'm up about 5% on gold. But yeah, FX has been difficult this month with Asian liquidity, man. It has, it really has. The link to me to say, oh my days, bro. Bro, you've got Bears scheduled lives. I deleted Bears yesterday. Is there still Bears scheduled? I don't feel at all. I just be like, Rick. Let me double check. Oh, right. Yeah, felt that. Oh, right, yeah. Actually, I don't know why it scheduled it. That's weird. Oh, my days, yeah, dude. Upcoming. Let me delete those upcoming because that's actually kind of jarring. Like, oh. Let me just get rid of those people. Oh, there we go. Pop. Mace, I closed EU shorts. No, man. Because EU climbed down nicely, man. Where was your shorts? What did you close? Where did you close early? Again, bias correct today, boys. I mean, again, we was just really looking for those continuations, bro. Rookie era, man. But yeah, I mean, again, the market's T930. You know the pattern, Cammy. You know the pattern, Brody. Honestly, we're just very unlucky with GU this morning. This is what I'm looking at most in the morning. DTO, GU. Very unlucky. How close were we? Half a pip. Yeah, T. Let me send it into the chart check, bro. I want to see where you broke even. Again, boys, we're just looking for continuations down. I think great positions is probably EG. Okay, EG started to reverse quite heavily already. Equal highs. I'm not gonna. I'm loving to look at EG coming to buy up. The retracement down's perfect as well. I do want to start seeing price reversing around Friday 50. Bearing in mind the pound's still a lot weaker than the euro, boys. That's still the narrative in the market here. We got really low volume around the Friday 50, so I'm excited to see what price does around that Friday 50. Could start seeing a nice reversal point there. That could actually look nice to me though, not gonna lie. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm made for this. But I still be on my bummy shit. A little bit more painful for EJ. UJ's lovely though. Again, we've actually got a strong... It's weird, we've actually been having the dollar and the yen be moving quite unison. Weirdly. We've been seeing the yen go up at the same time that the dollars go up. And I think, again, that just tells us that, again, the dollar's not really strong because of the economy. It's more strong just blatantly because of the safe haven, because that's the exact reason why yen's going up. I mean, the US have made some great deals recently. That is really helping the US's debt, so... We're still going up though, boy. We're still going up for the dollar, man. Coming back to that 100 point, which is huge for the dollar. Absolutely huge. Jer 30 again was really unlucky with the shorts down. Was waiting for price to come take Asia's higher, but you can see where price literally... It's actually really awkward. It's like a really weird... That's pretty better, isn't it? That's better. Fucking around again, moody, look. Let me bang something on Instagram, actually. Don't fuck around and get moody. Don't get me started. We been finishing our problems. They know how we move. We get it lit. Chopper bustin', they gon' dig. They get snatch and watch them six. They get hit and watch them tell. Run and tell it 12. 2012, name it ringing like bells. 90s baby, I was probably like 12. Do a hit by myself. Ain't no college, I read books in the cell. Had to learn on my own. Couldn't teach me, felt like I already know. The old shit sounded like new shit. I bet you already knew this, look. Bitches around cause the Kool-Aid. I play with numbers like I was a pool stick, look. Don't fuck around, we get moody. Don't fuck around, we get moody, look. Don't fuck around, we get moody. Shots in direction like we making movies, look. My old shit sound like they new shit. I bet you already knew this, look. Bitches around cause the Kool-Aid. I play with numbers like I was a pool stick, look. Don't fuck around. Andrew Tate took over KSI for CEO of Misfits. What the fuck? Don't KSI, I thought KSI owned it, didn't he? Don't he own it or some shit? Am I wrong in saying that? He can't do it if he's just taken off it, unless he sold it to him. Perfect equal highs. Again, I'm still really looking for EG to come up. Catalyst, again, low volume, where that Friday 50 is, just like mid-London session. If you look on our time, oh no, it's no fair value. 30 minute fair value. Ooh. Yo. Change up. Jed, honestly, bro, same. I mean, for me, it doesn't make sense, but I feel like the reason why we've not really seen the dollar weak, right? The only reason I can think of the top of my head is because we're just uncertain with any other, with probably like most other economies. And there's a few beneficial things that is going on right now with the US. Obviously, their deals they're making right now are great. So that is definitely helping the dollar. Again, we had stock market boom at all-time highs again. Nasdaq, S&P, US tech, everything took all-time highs. Normally, when you see stock market take all-time highs, obviously it's quite good for an economy's growth. So again, it sort of it reflects quite well on the currency. But cut of interest rates, yeah, man, it's confusing. There's no doubt about that. I'm confused, boys. No, all I do is look at fundamentals. It's just because we've been stripped of our data, right? When we're stripped of our data, it's not just us that are confused. It's the real market, like heavy market participants that are also confused. And when they're confused, there's less volume in the markets. When there's less volume, there's more manipulation. So I don't think the markets aren't going to make sense right now. All right, just be blatantly off the point that they are just manipulative. So you've got to be double careful. We're coming to this Friday 50 now, which is lovely. Wisdom minded. KSI was CEO. Oh right, got you. Who owns it then? Who owns it? I bet it was like KSI's thing. I bet that's what for some reason I've always thought that. They probably make decent money, man. Right now I'm hurting, so I can't show love. We'll see where price of it, mainly where this 15-minute closes. We still got a bit of time. We've only had this new 15 open, so. So I can't show love. Yes, Jesse, what you saying, bro, dude? Make sure that it's lit. Yeah, MH, realistically, I can only see GJ continue coming down. I mean, I don't watch boxing or any type of fights. You don't watch, like, fighting, man? To be fair, I do watch way less like UFC and boxing now. I'm not gonna lie. I honestly used to live for like Saturday night fucking boxing. Let's just see where price closes here, man. Who's at my front door? Sorry, boys, 2-6. Bad bitch from the valley, let me fuck around the patio. Steve, what's good, my man? What we saying, boys? Hey, also, happy fucking Halloween, my people, then. Happy Halloween, bro. Happy Halloween. Are you coming down, feeling daily fair value? Yeah, we're coming down a bit more. Again, that Euros gain that little bit of weakness. We've seen this, though. EG longs, I think, are potentially going to be great. Again, it all matters on this 15 minutes. If we see it like a trade through deep down, then I'd find it difficult. But again, we still got 10 minutes for this candle, so we've got time. We're the worst days, no simply when you're thirsty. Lovely. EU's taking all those lovely lows now as well. Are you looking at this area here, Bills? For price to start coming up? Maybe. What we've done recently, like what I'm mainly looking at on daily structure, right, is these fair values here. And as we can see, what we've really had is we've had this nice bearish structure, we've filled internal, continued down, filled internal, and now we've just took the recent external. So we're going to have to allow price obviously run to where it wants to, and then we'll look for that retracement. And that retracement may push us into a fair value and continue down, obviously with this bearish momentum we've got here, or because we are in that fair value area, which I'm not going to lie, I love, because bearing in mind we've got a trade through, and then we've got price come back into it. So it's like a real nice area for price to get attracted to and come back off. I think that's a bit of a next week story though, to be honest, man. But nice pointing that out, man. I'm gonna have that marked out, because that's not gonna lie, that's actually real good like momentum coming off here. This is that more for that bullish structure. Oh, bro, this is a classic, man. Meta sells $30 billion of. Hold on, why do I have captions on? Of bonds. Oh shit! As IR fuels record orders. Wow. What are the yields on now? Yeah, US bonds have been booming like in a recent week. Absolutely booming. Which again, this is sort of why Powell's sort of signalling for a cut in not a cut. To hold interest rates December, which wasn't actually really expected before. That's why we had the dollar quite strong. And that was another reason why the dollar was quite strong when we had the interest rate decision come out. So obviously half an hour later, we had Powell say that we're probably not going to cut interest rates because we need data. But that's like that's kind of the problem the US shutdown. Jed. Like, that's the main problem, right? Is like, yes, it's weak for the dollar, but it's not giving us data, so we can't actually predict where price is really going. And obviously, because it's a safe haven currency, and no other safe havens that are massively booming right now, like gold's far too exhausted for a safe haven right now. I can only see gold coming down in the short term for the move up. So, yeah, we've taken out most retail people on gold, so coming down a bit more would make a little bit more sense, considering we've not boomed off yet. But yeah, the dollar's been difficult to really get a grip of now. But let's see if we can get something for this New York ish. I ain't trying to feel more sorrow. We've still got 7 minutes for this 15. We're allowed to do its thing, man. Richie. I ain't trying to feel no sorrow. Yeah, Jer 40 is already sort of, again, New York's, I feel like New York's difficult, man. Like, if you're not in, like, really early New York, you are often waiting quite a long time. Let's see where we can see some areas in New York for price to come back to. So with the violence should be played on style. It's DTO area really we want to see price come to. We can only assume DTO continuations here, really. All right. He is gone, no. He's fucking flying, man. Yeah, I do hear that. I've always been football here. It's fair dues, man. It's fair dues. We're just gonna have to allow price to come back here, really. G does look as nice. I'm weaker on the pound, so it would be easier to short. We've still got 4 minutes for this closure. UJ coming off there looks tasty, man. I'm not. So we had that trade for as well. It was a heavy trade for. He is running so nice. Oh, bye. Sorry, can you give me a good tune, please? It's been hard for New York to get in continuation, so I feel like you've got to be, like, even New York, you've been having to be patient, and Silver Bullet time is where we've been seeing the best entries. Late session, like, not, I say late session, but like late morning is when we've been having these moves. Pretty much in anything, innit? What they done for me? That G was so annoying, man. That was so annoying. What? To be honest, I think it's good that the yen's been having these retracements though, man. Because EJ was looking for price to come up. GJ was looking at the same thing in the morning, but we just didn't see the sweep of Asia. We'll see where price was to go here though, man. We just pushed below that Friday 50. We pushed into that like quite massive fucking Asia range we had here. Yes, George, what we saying, my boy? It's good, bro. Literally no imbalance to the sell side. With fair value, that best shows this 1 hour maybe. So we're really looking for EJ to continue down, really. Pressure when I'm in the shit. Where's our 15-minute? Okay, trade for that would be difficult. We've got a minute left of this 15. Let's see if that closes on. What was he looking at? Was it EG, right? Looks like we probably will close. That's annoying. Is gold buy? Honestly, bro, I would say hold up on gold. Ali, I'd say hold up on gold, man. Right now, the reason why is because price is so exhausted. It's so exhausted, and we're not seeing any more volume come into the market for gold. So I'd say not yet. I'd say the best time for us to then next trade gold would be in December time when we should come out of this fucking. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, the last time I think back in 2017 we was in the US government lockdowns to start of December. Start of December to like end of Jan, I think it was. Had your 30 marked out this morning, but didn't take it as don't trade Fridays and went nicely to TP. Yeah, man. We had the Jer 30 this morning marked out, but price just didn't come and grab the Asia higher. Like it was actually bare annoying. The main reason why it was bare annoying, right? Let me move myself down here. The main reason why it was so annoying because we saw price obviously started off with a high open, with a low open. The like European session, waited for price patiently to trade up, and as soon as it got to like 8 o'clock, it just dropped before the Asia higher. So yeah, there wasn't anything for me there anyway. But again, bias we've been cracking. Like bias, honestly, this year bias hasn't been like too much of a trouble, unless right now it's for like dollar pairs because dollars all over the place. But Jer 30 euro, we've been catching it very well, man. Just very unlucky. Cool. Always the way, trust me, bro. This year has been crazy, bro. This year has been crazy. We stuck in there though, man. As long as you was profitable this year, my hat's off to you. I'm keeping my hat on, so I'll be wearing it all day and my hair will be shit. But hat's off to you, man. Hypothetically. I had it off detail like the last 2 days. Yeah, it was not. Asian liquidity's been insane off George. It's been working off the DTO. I know I'm hurting so I can't show love. Run into your mom, yeah, run into your dad. Yeah, that hurricane ruined fucking Jamaica. Like, fucked a load of Jamaican like cities. Are they cities or no? But that was actually bad, bro. Cuba as well. What 15 are we talking about? I'm sure we didn't get our close on EG. Now price is continuing. Holy shit. We have kept all this liquidity to the sell side. It's exactly what we done yesterday. We had like the initial move up, had the New York make the low, and then we sort of, well, barely come back up. But just all this liquidity above here, I want to see get taken, man. Okay. Wow, we are coming down heavily. GR30 is pretty booming, isn't it? What? Oh, to be fair, it's already come down bears. Damn, I was told to always keep it cool. Why you try to play me, bitch? You know I ain't no fool. Damn, my little brother blood, he say boo. You came from the mall. Bryce, get These markets have been difficult though recently, man. Is anyone eyeing up a position for New York? Because honestly, to me, everything looks a bit expanded. I think we've got a bit of waiting to do. Maybe I should have jumped on a bit like... No, I just realised as well, like, I'm jumping on New York at the same time. I've been jumping on the New York streams at the same time as as before, which kinda... It's not a great idea. That hour we do have a lot of low volume. Volatility is not there. So really, yeah, it's an hour later, so it's 1 now. What's the time in New York now? I'll make it 9. It's 10. Oh, never mind. Never mind. So New York Stock Exchange open at... Oh, okay, right, got it. Oh, what have I done there? Bro, this is a tune back in the day, man. But yeah, realistically, we want to see price retrace up a lot more if we really want to see a good continuation trade for EU. Yes, we've already taken out its external lows. It's Friday. Normally, we do just continue our bias on. So we are looking for price to trade back into the range we've already made, like through New York. And then just looking for the price to continue to the downside. Same with GU. EU just looks nicer. EU just does look nicer. The pound is weaker, so I'd say preferable shorts are there. We've had a really weak euro since 1 o'clock though, which is a bit crazy. And us seeing a trade through here kind of signals to me that the euro is probably going to keep coming down. Again, though, the euro is kind of really overbought at the moment. It's really high up. The euro is really high, and there's not many benefits that come with the euro with the EU right now. Not gonna lie. In fact, I'm kind of confused how the EU's just as strong as or stronger than the pound at the moment. I mean, both economies are not doing great whatsoever. I mean, they just had their prime minister step down, which is huge. Having your prime minister step down is huge, bro. For me, bro, that is massive political uncertainty. Do you know what I mean? But it looks like it's not had a massive effect. I mean, we've had a weak EU, but mainly because of the dollar strength. That's something to note as well, boys, right? If you trade EU, GU, I just want you boys to understand that the dollar is the most important currency you need to be looking at. So this is why it's kind of hard to trade EU and GU right now. We are stripped of our US data, which makes it really hard for the dollar to have a clear bias, which inevitably will make EU and GU harder to trade. So it makes sense why you might not be getting as many EU, GU trades as you was, or you're not getting your ALG entries. Yeah, the pound's fucked, man. The pound's fucked. Our country's fucked. Our country was fucked years ago, man. Really. It's just been getting worse and worse and worse, man. It's been worse and worse and worse and worse. Man, EG's coming down heavily, bro. Heavily. Again, we can only assume that price is still going to continue down. We want to see price coming back into our areas of high volume, though. Or really low volume, either one. Again, prices attract... Complete wrong thing. Prices attracted to higher volume and low volume. I really like the area of the detail for this. That older block around there looks tasty. Even, to be fair, there's a lot of volume within here as well. Any of these areas. We would confirm when they come in, but we just got to see price actually start retracing back first. That older block's actually really nice, to be fair. Gold still got a lot of movement to do, yeah. Dax we're still seeing continued use shorts from 1.3125. Bro, I'm confused. What 15-minute on the order block we on about? Alright, T, send me a pic for me, bro. Our price points, I think we're using different liquidity provider. Show shopping traumatized. Feeling up inside. My mommy in her eyes. And I apologize. Only love you when you die. Need to money on the side. Boys, the dollar's strong. The dollar's really strong. And again, nothing's going to change that at the end, the last day of the week, not month, the week. Normally we see Friday like continue price action on, but the problem with Friday is very manipulative. Yes, Henry, what we saying, my boy? What's good, man? That is the thing. That is the only problem. Lucky you didn't, Nick. Nick, what percent did you take from me, you, man? My mama in her eyes. And I apologize. Honey, stop the crying. Honey, what you got? Read the money on the side. Did you hear that? They're saying, that's mad. They're saying on Bloomberg that they they use Reddit heavily now. Oh my goodness me! If anyone's on Bloomberg right now, the size of this woman's mouth. Like, bro, I've got to show you, man. This. Wait. Doesn't really do it justice, actually. It's when she's smart. You man can sort of see that, If you're on YouTube, I can only assume you man. Oh no, you man probably ain't. You man have to see this bird's mouth. Like, bro. Where's she like smart? Wait, oh fuck! I'm just showing my dickhead. I'm just showing my trading view. Just go on Bloomberg and have a look, man. She's got a mouth like a horse. Only 1 to 2. 1 2's fine, bro. Ended up 6% in 2 weeks. Lovely, bro. Lovely, Nick, man. Taking those opportunities by the Catonias, pal. Love that, man. Okay, EG's had a bit of a continuation down. Detail, we see price versus detail. We've actually seen EG so weak off that level. So he's actually got quite a weak euro right now. It's going to make it hard for EU to actually come to any decent area to short from. Which is a pain in the arse, man. Sorry. Come back up, man, for continuations. Come back up for them continuations. What trades did you get into, Nick? Other than the one today? What instruments as well? Nolan, by GU. What's your trade? What's your thoughts behind it, Nolan? Alright, boys, imagine. Lou said this the other day, and I was just imagining this. Imagine when TikTok's bought by someone else. Bro, imagine if they just let like all of the banned accounts back on TikTok. I promise you, I swear to God, we will have. Oh mate, what do you boys reckon? 40 accounts? I reckon some of them at like 80k followers, like 50k, 30k, 20k, 15, 10. I was just thinking that, bro. Imagine if they give all the banned accounts back, man. I'd be so gassed. I'd be so happy. Them lives used to be so fun, man. Bro, I'll be real. If we was to get back like that, man, we would just probably give away accounts all the other, like every other day, I reckon. No, it is, man. It is, bro. It mad is. No, it mad is, isn't it? Nah, EK's leagues above, man. What are you man talking about in a free chat, bro? Imagine throwing cones. I do not blame you, bro. I do not blame you one bit, man. Okay. UJ still continuing down. EG still continuing down. Holy fuck. Okay, we're getting G. G's just not as clean. Of course, we see the pound come back up. Bro, really? Crazy manoeuvre we've had down here today on EG. We've just taken out the whole daily range in the last like half an hour. Sweet Nick, I'll see you then, my boy. Sun's out. Bro, where in the fuck in the UK do you live, mate? What do you mean it's sunny, bro? Bro, are you taking a mick? Do you want to see what it's like at my crib, bro? Do you want to see what it's like in my... Let me show you what it's like near my end, right? Bro, let me show you what it's like my sides of the woods, bruv. That's all you need to see. Can you see the sky? Fuck knows, man. But you get my point, man. You get my point. Man said it's sunny, bro. Where the fuck are you, bro? Where the fuck are you? For it to be sunny. He's from Planet Zog. Are you one of them aliens that have just landed on well, supposedly yesterday was going to have to... Sunny Wales, my guy. Wales. See, I would have thought, fuck me, no, that is not sunny. Fair dues, man. Nick, have a nice one, Brody. Sun's out, pubs calling, man. Fucking hell. Very contrast from down here. Bro, we're not even that far away from each other, man. Wales isn't that... It's not like 3 hours away from me, I think. Crazy. If it's sunny there, mate, you're probably gonna get the rain soon, unless you get the rain before the sun. Another absolute old banger, man. What tune even is this? I don't think we're going to be able to see Price actually get into anything, boys, I'm not going to lie. Can't believe we've seen EG have this manoeuvre today. That's literally the whole of PA. That's all of PA. Oh, George, definitely, bro. I just need numbers, innit? George, I just need like a number so I can actually like book it, you know? It's definitely happening, bro. 1,000,000%. 100,000,000%, brother. Like, we're not trying to hit like a certain amount of numbers, bro. We're literally just trying to get like a number. You know? Oh, this used to be a banger as well. 7 years ago, man. 7 years ago. I feel like way longer than 7 years ago. Oh, that's so annoying. That's so annoying to VU. Yeah, honestly, stops just had to be... I mean, that's the thing with Friday, boys. A little tip for Fridays. Never have a tight stop. Like, honestly, like, leave yourself so much room. Manipulation is so heavy on Friday. For example, if you had a trade here, honestly, have stop loss on Asia high. Even round it up to 6 pips. And then aim for externals. If you had a trade like this, it's probably like... I know, Nick had a 1 to 2. But like that, then you got to save. And again, you're right for going for the sell. You're not wrong for going for the sell. That's why it's annoying to lose in these situations. But it's difficult because Friday's manipulative, right? Low volume, highly manipulative. So a big stop loss is key. We don't kill them off. It ain't sunny anywhere. I want to calm. I need to figure some stuff out firstly. Yeah, 100%, man. Bro, why is this camera not focusing on me, bro? You got it, kid. What you thinking? We've got 1 to 3. Oh, it's unlucky, Roger. But yeah, honestly, bro, for Fridays, it's one of those days, man, you just want to have a fixed stop loss. Have a safe stop, honestly. My best advice would be have a thick stop loss. Thick. I don't know why I keep saying thick, but I kind of like it now. I'll tell you what, you boys can see a little bit of fucking YouTube chat as well. Boys, by the way, if you're here on TikTok, man, I stream on YouTube whenever I'm live on these TikToks. You can see the screen much better, man. Yeah, Sweet B, good finding me, the Richesse group. 100%, George. The good thing is every single year as well. This is what I love about it. Every single year there's going to be new people to meet. We have new clients from all over the UK. Obviously, not a lot of people can make it. Obviously, not everyone can get to London for a certain date, but every single year we're going to be doing them. There's going to be new people every year. Bro, why is this camera fucking with me, man? Yo, bro, could you explain your understanding of economic data being already priced in, being struggling? So the only, I'm assuming we're talking about US data, right? So right now, the only thing that we've really priced in for the US data was that interest rate cut. That's the only thing that was priced in. What we're pretty much looking for future-wise is if we're not out with this US shutdown, then we're still going to see interest rates stay at 4%, which again isn't really expected. We was expecting to see a cycle of cuts from 4.25 all the way down to probably about 3 to 3.5%. So he's looking at a decent cut from late this year to the beginning of next year. But because we don't have this data, bro, you can't necessarily cut interest rates, because if inflation's not going down, if labour's not weak, there's no point in cutting interest rates. So that's why they're going to hold interest rates. That's why the dollar is quite strong from the decision, because it was only one cut, and plus obviously what we heard from Powell 30 minutes later is that we're data dependent. So if we don't have any data, we're not going to cut interest rates, which essentially is going against what we've really been looking at the whole year, is a cut of interest rates from the Fed. It's confusing out there, boys. It's very confusing. Because we've been stripped of this data, there's not enough volume in these markets for nice moves. That's why we're not seeing the ALG play out that much, because the market's uncertain, not enough volume. Asian liquidity, we need higher volume during a European session. If we don't have that, it's going to be difficult for the ALG to actually play out. And that all comes down to the uncertainty of the US economy. Not really the US economy, more the dollar. I mean, and the US economy, right? Because it doesn't look great. But I mean, data-wise, like, I would say we're weak on labour, just off essentially what's going on right now with the US. Inflation's come down a little bit, so it does signal more of a cut. But again, if they don't have actual data, they can't make a decision on interest rates. We made the decision for these interest rates to cut the 25 basis points was purely off the data we was going off that we had for last month. But right now it's a bit of a problem. EU sales, bro, honestly, bro, just them all day long. Wait to get in good areas, because again, you don't want to sell too low. I was looking for a price to come back to the sort of DTO, or maybe even this order block on the 15, I believe. Yeah, the 15-minute order block. I think it was a 30-minute, actually. No, it's 15. If we saw price go back to them, continuations off there would have been nice. Same thing with GU. You want to see prices come back up and fill some of these internals before moving down. But we're not seeing it. We're not seeing it, so price just wants to continue. Very strong dollar, boys. Again, we are favouring that dollar quite heavily. And I'm still anticipating the monthly CRT for DXY to get complete. And I kind of do hope we do complete it today, just so we've got all this completed by October end. And open in November, we'll see if we want to continue down the dollar, or if we're going to start seeing price just come back up, retrace back up into areas up top. In terms of PA, how many points are we looking at? 339. It's not massive. You could see price do it. Especially the movements we've got now. EG is, holy shit. Massive imbalance down to the downside. Again, we are very overbought in the euro, so I do kind of understand if we want to see price come back into some. Wow, that's nuts. Yeah, let's have a look here. Okay, so we want to see a decent move down, really. Come get it. I'm not playing golf this week. I haven't played golf in a bit, Harvey, man, to be honest. I haven't played golf in a bit. Yeah, I've not played golf in a bit, man. Do you play golf, Harvey? But yeah, that's essentially what I'm on about. Do you know what I'm on about, Teddy? Political uncertainty is making the dollar very confusing, but it's the reason why the dollar's strong. The uncertainty is the reason why the dollar's strong, which is kind of weird. Too much. I hear that, bro. I hear that. It's fun, man. I would love to play a bit more again, but yeah, I've just been playing dreadful. Trust nobody. How come you're not in the office together anymore? We probably might go back into the office again. Me and Lou was talking about this recently, man. Just jumping back in the office again. Probably just local though, so we actually can still do our streams. But yeah, after we was in the Wolf, we travelled Thailand for a good 5-6 months, man, or something like that. And then me and Lou sort of built offices at home, but yeah, we'll probably get an office soon, but it just needs to be close to us, man. Only problem with the Wolf is it takes me and Lou like an hour and a bit to get there in the morning. And obviously, we do a pre-London stream at 6:30. So if I was to get to my office before that, bro, I'm gonna have to leave my gaff at 4. There's just no point in doing that every single day, man. No point. So I would have to get an office near me, man. But I built a home office pretty much. Like I've got. But yeah, no, it will be good that me and Lou will start going live again together. We'll probably get a little office somewhere, man. It's just good. It's great. Honestly, it's great when you got an office. Office is so good. It's so good. But it's just shit when it's in London, man. It's just a ball ache and a half to get to. Just takes too much. Time's money, boys. And hour and a half in the morning travelling, pretty much. Right, it's peak. Time's money, boys, especially in the morning. Yes, John, I'm good, my boy. How you doing, man? I'm good. We're not seeing much this New York sesh, though, boys. I'll be honest. We're not really seeing much at all. Price is just continuing. Go watch out for Lou's crash out if he throws anything at you. Honestly, bro. No, I'll be honest. Me and Lou are quite like. Actually, no, I don't think I'll crash out as much as Lou, man. I'll crash out, but like I'll crash out in private. Normally you won't see me crash out on stream or something, but I'll probably jump off stream and start beating up a. Okay, forgot I'm on TikTok. So the weekend, what? Nah, John, I don't trade Fridays, man. Honestly, historically, there's no point. In my opinion, Fridays is just a day not to trade. Realistically, low volume, high manipulation, man. One of the worst days in a week to trade, factually. They talk about Johnny, they talk about Johnny. Oh, bro, the lives would be so fun again, man, with me and Lou together. Like, going live when me and Lou used to do it used to be so fun. So it's to do with the majority expecting the dollar to be weaker and because there's not a lot of data. To support that idea, the dollar is seen as strong. Yeah, that's one of the reasons. The other reason why the dollar's so strong is because every other currency is so weak. Euro, pretty weak. Pound, pretty weak. Swiss franc, pretty weak. Yen, pretty weak. It's come up a little bit now, but still in the grand scheme, very weak. The dollar's the only thing that's like really a favourable asset. And you've got to bear in mind as well, we've got US 10-year yields at 4.4%. So the US yields coming up as well. Way more capital inflows will come to the US because of those US 10-year yields have been coming up. And again, people would rather hold US 10-year yields at a 4% rate than holding the UK 10 years for 4.8%, for an example, or 4.5. People would rather hold the US bonds because obviously it's a safe haven economy. So yeah, there's a good few reasons, Ted. Good few reasons, man. But we was expecting the cut of interest rates. That was heavily expected, mainly because inflation's been coming down quite a lot. I agree. Don't allow with XAMD, AMDX, which is important for me during the week. Yeah, 100%, John. Exact same as me, brother. Exactly that, mate. Called a drop in EU today. Lovely stuff, man. Wait, bro, imagine if Lou just crashed out one time, just does me right in the mouth. Like, it's bare crashing out, he doesn't know what to smash or anything, so just smashes my face in. That'd be bare funny. Things as well, being like we could do the streams that we used to do, man. You remember we used to do like the mines and shit. Bro, I reckon honestly, what was that app called, bro? Because I reckon if I go on the app, we've probably got like a good few hundred quid in that account. Was it Panda or something? It was like Panda or some shit, wasn't it? Panda betting. Bro, what was it? Do you remember what that shit was called? Bet Panda, bro. That's it. Bro, I reckon if we log in, we should have a few hundred quid in it. Maybe like 500 quid or something. I might be absolutely chatting shit. Well, bro, we'll do mines again and shit. That shit used to be bare fun. Okay, I have to reset my password. What's your analysis on GU, bro? Honestly, just weak. Like, nothing's really abiding by structural rules. We're just so strong on the dollar that we're just looking for GU to come down, bro. Honestly, wherever you can get in, man. Just let it be. How much dough have you got in it? You got a reward. We got dough in here? Okay, we don't have any money in here. Have I looked into the right one? Okay, there's nothing in there. I must not. Okay, we must not have. You just earned. But that's what we'll do again, man. Everything's in Thai bar. Oh my god. Well, no, we weren't doing this in Thailand, man. This was illegal in Thailand, I remember. Yeah, this shit was so fun. Like, mines and this was so fun. It's just got to be blackjack. Just got to play blackjack on it, though, man. This is like the blackjack. You know when it's live and it's like this, like I think it is, anyways. Is it live? Yeah, it's like these ones. You know this. Oh, you man can't really see on YouTube, man. Cause I'm. Wait. Oh, hold on. There we go. Let me try to bring it up, man. What's your old YouTube clips and vids? You found a fat ass spider, got cleaners or someone to come get it. Cool, bro. This spider, like on God, like you can't really tell because it's on video and that, right? But bro, the size of this spider, like it was a huntsman. Like there's some big boys. There's some real big boys. There's some big boys. You know, like these. You know, like this. You know, it's like actually live and shit. That's what we'll start doing again. Bro, we'll start doing anything on stream again, man. It just used to be so fun. So fun. I used to trade gold bit every since I switched the currency strategy. Been on smoke. Lovely stuff, man. What's your strategy with currencies, man? You got an education Discord or something, bro. Your explanation's helping a lot. Yeah, bro. Honestly, bro, we've been mentoring for fucking years now. Three odd years, something like that. Maybe about 2 to 3 years. Yeah, we do have mentoring, bro. It's annoying because this is a brand new TikTok, so I haven't got any of my links. If you go to my Instagram, bro. Let me just pull up my Instagram. If you go to my Instagram, just drop me a message on here. And I can send you over a few bits, man. Yeah, you can go over to our Discord as well, over in our link tree and all that stuff. We've got so many testimonials over in our Discord. Let me just go on. Honestly, bro, we've got fucking thousands. Our main aim is essentially to get everyone funded. That's what our mentoring consists of. Our aim is to get you funded. If you want to jump on a call as well, bro, we can jump on a call. Something like that. But yeah, just come drop me a message on Instagram, Teddy. Honestly, bro, I do streams at 6:30 in the morning every single day going through the fundamentals. I mean, at the moment it's been quite hard because we've not got much data, but yeah, my strategy consists quite heavily of fundamental analysis as well as obviously technicals. I trade Asia liquidity strategy. That's what we essentially teach, as well as everything else that comes with trading. Fundamental, psychology, everything, man. Everything. Also, boys, like I say all the time, if you all remember, we do giveaways every single month. Every start of the month, we do 2 funded account giveaways just to the members. So, boys, if you're a member, man, like I said, our aim is to get you boys funded. The accounts with Alpha Capital Group, boys. We give away 50k, 25k's just to our members, man, every single month. Honestly, boys, best place to be if you want to actually start making fucking an actual change in your trading career. Because I know a lot of people mainly just trade to pass the challenge, but we get you to the point where you're passing the challenge anyway. The main key part is profitability. People tried. I just realised, have we had what's the X in XAMD? X is continuation. It's either continuation or reversal. So obviously with the A, which is accumulation, manipulation, and then distro. X is pretty much the anomaly day where you don't want to trade. And that can either be on the Monday, which I'll be honest, lately it's been on the Monday, or it's going to be on the Friday. To be fair, it's been both a lot of weeks. Just got 50 lightnings out of a 5-star chest. What the fuck is that? 50 lightnings. I'll be fuming. The thing is, they're alright when you've actually got your max level. When you just get converted to the elite ones, it's actually sweet. But fucking lightning, 50 lightning. That's so deep, man. Yes, Jim Bob, what we saying, my boy? How we doing, man? What's good, bro? I mean, we've really got to start growing this account. There's like 3 man on this live each time. How times have changed, boys, eh? I honestly don't really know how to grow a TikTok anymore, though. I think a lot of people still join in, join out. Mate, so I was trading in London in Thailand. It was alright, bro. But you see what my problem is? I'm a morning person. Like, I'm really a morning person. So I find it difficult, bro, when I'm trading like midday. You know what I mean? I love trading in the morning. In the mornings, where is that, man? That's essentially what I'm looking for, man. So honestly, I could live in Thailand for that exact reason. That's the exact reason why I wouldn't live in Thailand. Lightning is a good card, not getting dupes. To be honest, I'll be honest, there's been times recently where I've noticed like Lightning is actually so good. Again, it all depends though, man, how you use it, right? I mean, any card's good if you can use it well, realistically, and with a good deck. Yo, Mace, where would you want G to retrace to looking for cells? Yes, Sammy, what we saying, my brody? Hope you well, man. I'll speak to you in a bit, bro. I hope you've been doing well. GU, it's a little bit less easy to really indicate. I mean, we've got no imbalances on any time frame, pretty much. On the 1 hour, there's nothing. Okay, it's 5 minutes. Massive change of time frame there, mate. Just no fair value, so I do find it hard. So in terms of volume, if we're just going off blatantly off volume, nope. What the fuck is that line? Obviously, just got a higher volume up here. Honestly, bro, it's really not easy to find out. This is the GU shop we was looking at this morning, but prices obviously didn't come to entry, which is really unlucky. For the re-entries, I know it's hard. Without any fair values and without volume being quite blatant obvious where price would want to be attracted to, I'm not too sure, bro, to be massively honest. I think we're lucky to even see EG come up. GU come up. Bro, look at EGU, man. I can't actually believe that. It's insane. We took out the whole like prior day range, like the prior day and today's range in an hour and 45 minutes. That's nice. Sweet George, my boy. I'll see you, man, Monday. Honestly, boys, I might cut off now as well. We're seeing nothing. We're seeing nothing at all. Yeah, we're not seeing a thing. Not a thing. But yeah, I'll see you boys back Monday. I probably won't be active because I don't think we're going to see anything for the rest of the day now. To be honest, we're just going to see prices continue, which is a shame, but it's all right. Yeah, neither Jim Bob, neither, bro. But you, man, I'm going to cut out. I'll see you boys Monday. Yeah, you too, Sammy, my boy. I'll catch you, man. Appreciate you boys for joining, man. I'll see you, man.